Hi guys, today we're going to talk about the last part of landscapes, which is the difference between an arid or dry landscape and a humid or moist landscape. Now you can see here that this looks pretty much like a desert, and that's what the word arid means. You remember Miss Sutton showing you her favorite deodorant? Why would we want to have a deodorant that doesn't make us dry? That's what the word arid means. A humid or moist landscape is what happens if Miss Sutton doesn't put on the arid deodorant, right? Here we can see there's lots of vegetation, which is a fancy word for trees and plants and grass, and it makes the slopes nice and rounded. Here, when there's no vegetation to hold in the soil, it gets eroded very quickly by things like wind and water and mass movement. So I made this little Lego demonstration for you today. Yeah, I still play with Legos, to show you what a landscape would look like as it changes from humid to arid. So here you can see this plastic tarp is kind of acting like our grass. It's got these nice round smooth hills. It's protecting the land underneath. Well, over time landscapes change, and we can go from having all this humid grass and plants, and it can go away, and then we're left with these kind of sharp, steep cliffs where the bedrock is exposed, and it's really easy for the wind to just take off these pieces, or for mass movement to knock this down. So landscapes can change from humid to arid. So let's just review. A humid landscape is going to have lots of rain, which is going to make lots of grass and plants. The plant's roots are going to hold the soil in, so the landscape will be rounded and smooth, and you can see that here in the picture. The bedrock is pretty much protected by the grass, just like I showed you in the demonstration. When we have an arid, dry environment, like a desert, there's very little rain, and the sand gets moved around because there's nothing to hold it in place. So the wind and the mass movement can pull it out. Bedrock is exposed, and the landscapes look very different from when they're humid to arid. Hope that makes it clear.